Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again today in Science class Year 5. Before this, we have learned about dispersal of seeds and fruits. Okay, this is for your revision about what we have learned before this. You can look at your textbook, page 108. Okay, all seeds and fruits are dispersed in various ways to ensure the survival of their species. Okay, this is the important why fruits seed and fruit are dispersed. Okay, for survival of their species. Okay, plant disperse their seed or fruit by wind. Okay, you have learned by wind, water, tree, animals and human, and the last one is by explosive mechanism. Okay, for example here, okay, we can look the seed and fruit down here. Okay, this is dandelion. Okay, dandelion. Okay, how dandelion disperse its seeds? Okay, by wind. Okay, how about Nipah palm fruit? This Nipah palm fruits is buah nipah. Okay, buah nipah, which is the tree live in at paya bakau. Okay, paya bakau dekat kawasan pokok paya bakau. Okay, Nipah palm fruit, okay, dispersed by water. Okay. And then I know every of you know what it is. This is mangosteen. Okay, mangosteen is dispersed by yes, animals and human. Okay, because animal or human we eat the fruits and we throw away the seeds. Okay, okay. And then the last one is rubber fruit. How rubber fruit disperse? Okay, dispersed by explosive mechanism. Okay, there are four method how seed or fruit disperse to ensure the survival of their species. Okay, now take a look at page 109 in your textbook. Okay, the importance of survival for animal and plant species. What are the importance of survival for animal and plant species? Okay, take a look at this picture. Okay, living things depend on each other to keep the balance of nature. Okay, benda hidup ni dia bergantung antara satu sama lain untuk balance of nature, keseimbangan alam. Okay, okay. Plant are food source to other living things such as animal and human. Okay, we have learned the topic before this about food web or food chain. Okay, the first one must be plant. Okay, plant. The producer is plant. Okay, why the plant is food source? Okay, the plant is food source to other living things such as animal and human. Animal and human in turn what we provide? In turn, we provide fertilizer and nutrients to plant. Okay, through decaying process. Okay, jadi kita memerlukan tumbuhan sebagai makanan, tapi sebagai balasannya, haiwan dan manusia ini, okay, dia menyumbang pula, memberi sesuatu kepada tumbuhan, iaitu the first one fertilizer, baja and nutrient. Okay, baja and nutrient, baja dan nutrient kepada tumbuhan supaya tumbuhan itu hidup subur melalui apa? From decaying process, proses perebutan namanya. Decaying is perebutan. Only some of the animal and human feces, only some, okay, some, not all, only some animals and human feces. Okay, what is feces? Feces is tinja, okay, najis, can be made into fertilizer. Okay, we can make, okay, fertilizer from animals, some animals and human feces. Okay, we make fertilizer for the plants. Okay, and then that's why we say it is living thing depend on each other, okay, to keep balance of nature. We human and animal, okay, depend on plant also depend on us. Okay, number 2, living things such as animals and human also ensure the survival of plant species. Okay, haiwan dan manusia ni juga memastikan ensure the survival of plant species, juga memastikan kemandirian tumbuh-tumbuhan ni by helping to disperse the seed and fruit of the plant. Kita juga, haiwan dan manusia ni membantu, okay, membantu survival of plant species, kemandirian spesies tumbuhan ni, supaya tumbuhan ni tak pupus. Macam mana kita bantu dia? Okay, to disperse the seed and fruits of the plant. Okay, sebab kita membantu dia, manusia dan haiwan ni membantu pencaran biji benih dan buah bagi tumbuhan supaya dia tak pupus, dia tak extinct. Okay, then last one, okay, animal make their nest using plant for protection. Okay, animal also need plant for what? For make their nest, okay, for protection. Okay, and then the plant also provide oxygen to other living things during photosynthesis. Okay, that's why we said that we are living thing depend on each other to keep the balance of nature. Okay, kita memerlukan tumbuhan juga memerlukan kita. Okay, that what we call it depend each other. Okay, task for today, what I want you to do today is you do the exercise. Okay, you can look at your textbook page 114. Okay, write the title, dispersal of seeds and fruits, and copy the question number 5. Okay, question number 5 in your books and write the answer. Okay, this for example here, A, I'm light enough to float on water, soft and waxy. Okay, my skin won't falter, my fibrous husk is filled with air. Take guess who I am. Oh, to be fair. Okay, ini dia punya, this is the characteristic, characteristic of seeds or fruits. Okay, and then you need to write the answer here. Way of seed or fruit dispersal. Okay, this fruits, okay, this seeds of fruit dispersal. How it disperse? Okay, you have learned the dispersal of seeds of fruit before this. Okay, just write whether it is for wind, water, human, or animals, or explosive mechanism. Okay, and then this one predict seeds of fruit. Just write the name of the seeds or fruits. Okay, do this exercise in your books. Okay, copy all of this. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.